you can see in both of these tables, there is a warning about enable row level security. So RLS or row level security is a feature in SQL that you can restrict access to specific rows of a table based on the user role or permission. So we can create a policy that restrict access to specific people. So for example, let's say you have 2 storyboards and you shared with another user called, Tom at gmail.com. And you can restrict this directly from the database. You can filter out, you can show only these rows to this person, Tom at gmail.com, just directly from the database. So it is very cool. So let's start creating these policies. So I will start with the story table, and you can just click enable row level security here. When you go here, you can also create enable RLS, confirm. And here you can start creating some policies. And here you can also start with the quick. There is some templates, but I'm going to create from scratch. So here in the policies, you can any name to it. I would go call it stories. And I will select all here. And target roles, yeah, I will keep it like this. And then here is the good part. So you have to write expression. So if user is authenticated, then I wanted to show all the stories to this user. So what I'm gonna do is, you have to create something like this, because I'm going to create 2 conditions. After this, there will be another condition called or, because I also want to give access to if someone with the email that we have in the shared user email row. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to access to out table schema, and then you can check user ID, UID, and we can say if auth UID, the ID of the user is user ID. That user ID is we just created. So this will let users, authenticated users, see their storage. So that means you won't see a storyboard of different users. So only you will see your own story. So you don't have to do any complex logic in your code. You can do it directly here. So the second part is if auto email. So we can get the email of the authenticated user. And this is like if you already shared with someone. So is equal to shared user email. So this is a row that we have. Yeah, that's it. With this, you will let only the specific user get their data. So you don't share with the different users some unnecessary data. So let's review it and save the policy. That's great. If you go to the table again, here there is like one active RLS enabled. So that's great. And we need to do the same for the other one, sharing. So enable row level security, enable RLS, confirm. This one I'm gonna do something simple. You can give any name, just make it like true, anyone can access it.